Welcome to my channel Cook2. As requested by one of my subscriber friends, today I will show you how to prepare chicken tikka masala. It is a spicy dish of chicken tikka served in creamy curry sauce. Here I will prepare chicken tikka without oven. Friends, please watch my full video and subscribe my channel. Let's see what ingredient we need for the chicken tikka masala. Small pieces of boneless chicken around 500 grams, 2 tablespoons of curd, milk with malai half cup, or you can use here fresh cream, 2 medium sized onion chopped, 2 cups of tomato puree, onion paste, ginger garlic green chili paste, 2 teaspoon of jeera powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, pinch of garam masala, 2 tablespoon of kasuri methi, whole garam masala, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2.5 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, lemon. Now I will marinate the chicken. For this I will add curd. Now I will add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic green chili paste. One tablespoon onion paste. One teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder. One teaspoon jeera powder. Pinch of garam masala. Pinch of turmeric powder. And few drops of lemon. I will marinate it for half an hour and keep it in the fridge. The chicken is marinated. Now I will add salt as per taste. You can also add the salt at the time of marination. Now I will going to make the chicken tikka without oven. Now I will add around 2 tablespoons refined oil. Now I will going to fry the chicken pieces. In a medium flame, I will cover it up for the 5 minutes. Now I will flip the chicken and again cover it for 5 minutes. Look, one side is done. Look, chicken tikka is ready. Now I will prepare the gravy. Now I will add around 2 tablespoons refined oil. I add the whole garam masala. I am going to add the chopped onion. I will saute the onion. Now I will add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic green chili paste. Now I will add 1 tablespoon onion paste. I am adding tomato puree. Now I will add turmeric powder. Cumin powder around 1 tablespoon. Coriander powder 1 tablespoon. Salt as per taste. Kashmiri red chili powder around 1 tablespoon. I will add little bit kasuri methi. Now I will cover it for 2 minutes. Now I will add little water. And allow it to boil for 2 minutes. The gravy is ready. Now I will add the chicken tikka. Mix it properly. Now I will add the milk. I will add the kasuri methi. Now I will cover it for 2 minutes. Now I will add garam masala. Look, my yummy chicken tikka masala is ready now. My chicken tikka masala is ready. You can serve this recipe with paratha, naan, pulao, roti. Please try my recipe in your home and comment. If you like my recipe, please like and share it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon. For your reference, I am giving ingredient details at the end of my video. Thanks for watching my full video, and we will again meet in my next video.